In the heart of the mining site, the Cat 395 awakens with the deep, commanding growl of its C-18 Acert engine. This massive 18-liter powerhouse doesn't just produce brute force, it sets the rhythm for the entire operation. Every rotation of the engine delivers raw strength straight into the high-output hydraulic system, sending the massive boom forward with absolute confidence. With a single downward strike, the bucket slices through the heavy overburden. The engine pushes with such intensity that tons of earth and rock rise effortlessly as the bucket lifts, as if the weight simply doesn't matter. From the body to the boom, every movement is smooth yet forceful, showcasing the Cat 395's incredible material handling capacity. The machine swings with precision, positioning the bucket over the waiting Mercedes and MAN 4-axle trucks below. Their reinforced frames absorb the heavy loads with ease, barely shifting as each massive bucketful drops in. The coordination between the excavator and the trucks is seamless. One truck pulls away full, and another immediately moves into place, forming a perfectly efficient cycle without a second wasted. Meanwhile, the C-18 engine holds steady at a powerful operating range, not straining, not faltering, just delivering consistent, reliable force with every motion. Watching the Cat 395 work, you don't just see power, you see precision, durability, and a machine built to dominate even the harshest environments. What unfolds is a striking mechanical symphony. The engine's deep roar, the powerful hydraulics, the heavy bucket loads, and the trucks flowing in sequence, a smooth industrial rhythm carved into the dust and rock of the mine. In the heart of a massive open-pit mine, the Caterpillar 6015B stands like a true giant of the earth-moving world. At its core is the C27 ACERT engine, a 27-liter powerhouse that roars with deep, commanding strength, delivering an immense surge of energy to the high-pressure hydraulic system. As the engine climbs into its optimal power band, the entire machine comes alive. The enormous boom reaches forward, and the massive bucket bites deep into the heavy overburden, lifting a colossal amount of material in a single motion. Every cycle is decisive, deep cut, powerful lift, smooth swing, a perfect display of what a true mining class excavator is built to do. The 6015B's raw capability becomes unmistakable with its two-pass loading performance. With just 2 massive bucketfuls, the haul truck below is completely filled. The volume is enormous, yet the machine handles it with stunning stability, maintaining precision and control even under extreme load. The C27 engine continues to rumble steadily, holding strong without hesitation. Despite the enormous bucket size and extreme material weight, the 6015B moves with surprising ease, as if heavy-duty work like this is simply its natural rhythm. Engine power, hydraulics, swing speed, and bucket force all synchronize perfectly to deliver exceptional loading efficiency. The whole scene forms a powerful industrial symphony. The deep engine roar, high-pressure hydraulics, massive bucket loads, and a haul truck filled in just 2 passes, a true demonstration of the strength and productivity that define the Caterpillar 6015B in large-scale mining operations.